Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about what happened last week, where we are, and what to expect in the coming week. So last week we had we had S&P minus 3%, Nasdaq minus 4.3%, Russell was minus 5.8%. So it was negative across. Very bad week. Actually, it was the worst week since March 23. The reason for this is that there are two things. The first one is that we had September effect. I talked very specifically about that in a separate video and explained that September is normally a bad month. We have minus 2.2 on average for the last 10 years. And people are expecting that September is going to be bad, so they are selling before. And there are like many people that are out of the market on the first day of September. The second reason is that we had a very bad job report on Friday. So July was revised lower, August came below expectation. So there is that was a very bad result that affected the market on Friday. Okay, so technically, when we look at the market now, we see several bad signs. Like what? First, the S&P and Nasdaq were down 4 days out of the 4 trading days that we had last week. We had Monday off and 4 trading days, and the market was down in the 4 days. This is a very bad sign. Second bad sign is that we had the close of Friday. It was the lowest of the day and the lowest of the week without any single rebound. So that's a very bad sign. The market is going down nosedive. So very bad week. Also, I said that it is the worst week since March 23. And finally, also on the technical indicator, we see that the S&P has double top, has formed a double top. This is a chart formation that is very negative. When it happens, it says the market is going down. And also in the Nasdaq, we have like lower top, again a very negative formation. So all things are saying that the market is negative and is going down. Okay, that's what happened last week, and the expectation for next week, that is going to be again a bad week. Next week we have the CPI results, the CPI for August, and the expectation that is coming 2.6%, and this is very close to the target of 2% inflation. So we have mounting pressure on Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman, to reduce the rate by 0.5%. Actually, there is now 50% chance that he will reduce the rate by 0.5%, not 0.25, as the job is coming bad and the inflation is reducing very fast. Knowing Jerome Powell, he's a very conservative person. He doesn't look at one set of data. He needs to have several confirmations. So the market is expecting that he's going to reduce by 0.25. And that's why the market is going down, because they think that he should react stronger and faster. But there is nothing from the Fed coming out that they are going to reduce by 0.5%. All the expectation now is 0.25. And if he reduced by 0.25 in September 18 meeting, that's going to be a very negative sign to the market, and the market will continue to go down. Okay, so we have to be careful for this, and we have to plan accordingly. There are some easy decisions that you can make. Like what? If you made some profit during the past week, before the last week, we were going up for 3 continuous weeks. So if you made some profit, just take your profit and go out. If you are break even in some stocks, just go out. If you even have made like 1-2% loss in some stocks, just go out. These what we call are easy decision. You have to, as a trader, I'm talking to the trader, you have to liquidate and be out of the market. And there are easy decisions. If you are profitable, break even, -1, -2%, just go out of the market. Okay. Now you are left with the ones that you made heavy losses on. Now you have to be a courageous person and just take your losses and go out. You'll make it in a later stage of the market. Okay. Now for the investors, of course, you can add to your positions, especially if you are investing in ETF. So ETF for the long term is a good investment. You can add to your position on the ETFs. On stocks, you have to make your own judgment on that, whether to add now or to wait. I will make a special video on NVIDIA because I got a lot of questions on that. And I will also review the 15 stocks that I had in August in another video. Till we meet again, best of luck and have a profitable trade. Goodbye.